CQ Europe, CQ Europe. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA, North America, 2 Division, calling CQ Europe.
Good afternoon, Tennessee. Good afternoon, 26 Fox Baker, 481 United Kingdom.
A good day to you. Good day to you, United Kingdom. Good day. Glad to know I'm making the trip. Top of the evening to you. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. Tennessee. QSL?
QSL is 2 Alpha Whiskey. QSL, sir. You're 5'9", sir. You're 5'9" into Liverpool, England, sir. 73, sir.
QSL, top of the evening to you out there. Surprised I was making a trip on 50 whiskeys there. My amplifier broke down. Top of the day to you out there, United Kingdom. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee. We thank you.
Tennessee, good to good work, sir.
CQDX, CQ Europe, CQ Europe. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA, North America. We call it CQ.
002, Western Europe. CQ, bearing to Pacific, 14 Hotel Delta, 002, Western Europe, QSY on 27510.